what I ordered were 2 packs of these. These are Petite Casserole dishes, and they are the Sunflower edition, which are quite new, I believe. I'm quite fortunate that they were actually on offer, which is when I bought them. So they were actually 50% off, which is a contributing factor as to why I bought 2 packets. Currently only a household of 2, but if you're hosting a dinner party or something similar, then having 6 would be quite useful. They're packaged quite nicely, and you can see they're quite well protected with this cardboard. See if I can just remove that. Well, that's very pretty. Quite like that actually, which is quite nice given that I've just bought them. So move these aside. You can see that it's in pristine condition. It's got this on the bottom. Let's see if I can actually turn this light on. It's better, isn't it? So you can see it's a very nice condition, and there is a slight gradient, I believe, in colour. It's lovely, and the lid fits beautifully. So that's it complete. We'll just get the other 2 out. This is a very beautiful colour. You can't see it very clearly on this image, but it is a very beautiful kind of pastel pink around the edge, like a baby pink. It's very beautiful. Oh, it's lovely on here as well. It's very, very beautiful colour. So this is the first 3. We're going to move on to the next 3 just to check that they're actually in good condition too. I'm sure they will be. They are gorgeous, absolutely perfect, and beautiful, beautiful colours. They are a little bit smaller than I had expected, so they're obviously this size, but that was my fault for not looking at the measurements properly. But they're still very, very a decent size, so you can make quite a nice portion in these. Whether you're making like say you're making like a small shepherd's pie or something, then there would be quite a nice size for that. So an important aspect of kitchenware and cookware is that it is easy to clean. So you can see from this casserole dish that it is quite dirty. So I use this to cook the lasagna that you've just seen, and the lasagna is gone, and you can see this ring of orange that is stuck on there, and it is stoneware, so we'll see if it stains. With just a normal wash in the sink, we'll just see what happens. Careful not to drop this, it's actually very slippy, so you don't want to drop it, of course, otherwise it will shatter, most probably, so just be aware of that. It does get very slippy. So as you can see, this has come up beautifully. It's very, very clear. There is maybe a touch of staining just here, but it is completely negligible. You can barely see it, so that's wonderful. It's cleaned up very nicely. As you saw, I just did it in the sink with some washing up liquid. So overall, I am very, very pleased with how this has turned out. It's wonderful. So